Hello folks, so today we'll be working on our fourth question of the Leetcode SQL 50 series problems. Question name is article view 1 and the problem number is 1148. So we can see here only one table is provided, that is the views table. Let's see the description. It says there is no primary key for this table and the table may have duplicate rows. Okay, let's see. Yes, we can see in the last two rows it is completely duplicate. It's repeating itself, the last one and the last second one. So yeah, okay. Each row of this table indicates that some viewer viewed an article written by an written by some author on some date. Note that equal author ID and viewer ID indicate the same person. Okay, so we try to understand this. So viewer ID 5. So this viewer 5 viewed an article, that was article 1, which was written by the author 3 on a particular date. This way we can understand the data set. If we see the last second row, viewer ID 4 has viewed the article 3 and the author ID is also 4. That means the person viewer ID 4 has viewed the same article which has been written by himself. Fine. And on the date 21st of July 2019, and he viewed it twice on the same date. Hence we are getting duplicate rows. So we have understood this. Now what is the problem statement? Write a solution to find all the authors that viewed at least one of their own article. Okay, simple. We want the author IDs wherever author ID and viewer ID is the same. So we can see for the article ID 3, author ID 4 and viewer ID 4 both are the same. Okay, and we can also see for this row, third row, it is the same. So we should get the result as 4 and 7. Okay, let's try to write the code here. Select, we need the author ID because it is stated solution to find all the authors. So author ID will be here. Copy and paste. From which table? The table name is views. So we'll copy and paste here. What is the filter that we need to provide here? So where author ID equals viewer ID. So mind you, I am deliberately doing a mistake here so that we'll get to know what are the chances of errors we can do in this code. See, it will give wrong answer. Let's see why it is that. Okay, see, if we see the output we are getting is 7 and 4 and 4. Twice we are getting 4, but the expected output is 4 and 7 only. So for that, what we need to do is we need to give a distinct before author ID. This will remove the duplicate from that particular column. So now we'll get 4 and 7 only. But we also see that the header, the column header is also different. The expected one is ID and this is author ID here. So what we need to do? So we have to give an alias for the author ID column using as, and then the alias name is ID. Okay, and then there is one more condition here in the problem, that is return the result sorted by ID in ascending order. It has to be sorted by ID. So we'll give order by ID. So here I'm not using ascending because by default it will be ascending only. Had it been descending, we could have given a descending wala code here, but it is ascending only, so we'll leave it as it is. And here when we are giving an alias here, doesn't matter if we are giving as or not. If we remove as also, it will work the same way. So let's see, run the code. Hopefully it runs. Yeah, accepted. So for this test case, the example one, it has completely given the result. Let's submit this once. Let's check it for all the test cases. Yes, so 13 out of 13 test cases have been passed. Again, I'm telling you, don't fall for this 48%. I'll submit it again and then it will change to different percentage, depends on the internet speed and your specifications of the laptop. So 82% now. Okay guys, thank you folks.